take us to Coron. Thank you, Palawan. You have been simply amazing. What a beautiful day for a flight. Here we go. Patrick's a bit upset because we haven't been seated in the same seat, but he's got a window seat and I've got a window seat, so that's okay.
Of these aircraft. The seatbelt. To fasten, simply push ends together. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift the buckle and pull free ends to release. Your individual handpiece is found under your seat. Please do not remove this unless there is an emergency. As a safety precaution, do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. To don, pull vest overhead.
And good morning from beautiful Coron. We've made it here, taken that quick plane ride up, which was only 35 minutes from El Nido, and we thought, what is a better way to start our tour of Coron by, of course, some more island hopping. So that's what we're doing. We've just dropped off our bags, we've had something to eat, we've just run down here to the wharf to meet our crew for the day, who are going to provide a private boat for us. So just me and Pat today, so we don't have Cindy and John and the family this time. So how many islands are we going to?
Well, we've got a choice of 6.
6 islands.
But, we're just gonna check them out and see whether it's worth staying longer in, I don't know, 3 of the islands.
And here is our mode of transport for the day. So just very, very nice boat. Pan up. Here's the Bay of Coron. Perfect day again. Not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be a glorious day. Just pulling the boat up for us. Another day of adventure. We're one of the first boats out of the port today. It's only 8 AM and it's already stinking hot. So behind me you can see the port of Coron, and in front of me, I'm just going to spin the camera around in a second, you're going to see the silhouette of all these islands in front of us. It's quite breathtaking with the morning dew just over the water. So just take a look at this. How about that? Good morning from Coron. So just arriving at our first beach. What's it called, Pat?
Banal Beach.
Banal Beach. No one is here, just us.
How clean the water is.
Down goes the anchor. We're the only ones here. Wow, this is just paradise. I know I keep on repeating myself saying words like stunning and paradise and oh my god, I'm just speechless again. Like, it just seems to get better and better in the Philippines. Look at this. This is paradise. This just is simply, I've walked into a catalogue on an expensive magazine or something like that, but we've got this island all to ourselves. I just can't get over how pristine it is here. It is just, oh my god, I can't, if you only could come here and experience this for yourself. But in saying that, I don't want you to come because then there'd be so many people here. So I think we're very blessed to have this experience. I know we've got so much more traveling to do, but I just said to Pat, why would we want to leave the Philippines? This is gorgeous. Oh, dreams do come true. I know I've said that again, but my god, they really have. This has been a dream of mine to experience this kind of life, and we're coming into our 3rd month of being in the Philippines, and my god, it just gets better and better and better and better. Absolutely stunning. Just leaving this piece of paradise. Good timing, and just another boat has just arrived, so we had the island to all ourselves. Now it's their turn to have the island all to themselves. So on to the next piece of paradise. I can't see how it could get any better than this, so thank you. That was one memorable experience. Thank you, Benol Beach, and Patrick just said. We saw these cute little dogs and their little 1-month-old puppies as well. Patrick, I'm sure, took some video of them, so we'll tag that on here as well because they were so cute. But look at this water.
Yeah. And we saw a small fish.
Okay, this is just getting ridiculous. This is Smith's Beach now, stop number 2 for our day tour on our private boat. Again, we got this whole beach to ourselves. Look at the cliffs, very similar to El Nido. On this island, but there's a little Ming Ming. Hello,
Wow.
Snowy.
Oh,
You like cuddles.
a gorgeous white cat.
On the beach all by yourself. How cutie. Oh, hello.
You know, white.
No. So in the Philippines, they call cats Ming Ming. So I've been calling every cat since I've been here Ming Ming, which is beautiful. But this one's a beautiful white Ming Ming on a beautiful white sand. Hello. 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 Okay, cool. She's got a little bit of temper, but that's okay. But she's letting me take your photograph. Just talking about how we're ending the day here in this beautiful lake.
Oh yes, it's a nice way to end the day after visiting 3 nice private beaches. Yeah, it's a great way to wash off all the salt in your body.
So freshwater lake, it's pretty. Because tomorrow we're off to another. Well, I think we're going to 3 islands. So one of the best islands in Coron. Lots of sandbars and lots of sunshine, white sand beaches. So it'll be amazing.
So you might hear a few people in the background and see a few people in front of Pat there. So we are sharing this beautiful lake experience with probably 200-300 other people at the moment. So just pan this around here so you can see how many people are here today. But do you really blame them? Because they're doing exactly what we are doing, enjoying this experience. But the water is so warm, so clear. That day of island hopping has just come to an end. We're just putting up to the port in Coron now. What an amazing day that was. A little bit tired actually. I think it's a little bit too much sun, but we're going to repeat all this again tomorrow. Going to, I think, another 4 destinations tomorrow. So go home, have a shower, have something to eat, rest up for a big day tomorrow. So I'm sure it's just going to be as stunning. So I hope you've been enjoying this again. We have. And the thumbs up from Paddy, so that's a good sign.